What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be scaring my sisters with my Nerf guns. I have two. This one. Well, we have this one. It already has a bullet in it, so if I shoot it, like what? If I shoot it at the I shot it at the ground. And today we're going to be here, let me just load this. Loaded. They're both loaded, so I shoot them, they'll shoot. So yeah. But we're gonna go scare my sisters with Nerf guns. Watch, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go. Here, we're gonna try to do it, and I don't expect it. Here, I'll go to their room. We're watching the Dodgers. We're watching the Dodgers right now. I'll show you guys. See, let's go. Okay, now we're just gonna go head over there. I'm only gonna take one with me. I'm only taking one with me. So. You guys, I have to go to the bathroom, so bye. Just give me a second. Okay, we're going. I'm back. Can I scare you guys? Where did that bullet go? Dang it. Did I just lose my bullet? Oh, crud. Oh, you guys, let me look for my bullet. Okay, you guys, so I did not scare them, but, here they are. This is my sister. We have my sister. Say hi.